Next thing we're going to do, since we stretch out our hamstrings, we're going to make sure that our ankles and our feet are nice and strong. So what we're going to do is we're going to balance on our left foot, and all I want you to try to go for 10 seconds. Now, if you do like this, that's fine. I actually want you to try to balance just like that. Let's go for 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wow, impressive, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now, instead of balancing on your left foot, you just balance on your left foot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, instead of balancing on your left foot, I want you to drum on your right foot. And the more that you drum, the higher your knee comes up. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Who had better balance the first time? Who had better balance the second time? Why do you think more people have better balance the second time? I love asking questions. All I hear is hard. Okay, so when you focus on losing your balance and what could go wrong, it will. Anybody ever wait tables? When you wait tables, and what do they tell you about the tray?
Don't look at it.
Don't look at it, because if you look at the tray, what happens? Right, so if you focus, now notice when you're doing the other drumming, you're not focusing on losing your balance, you're focusing on drumming. So first lesson for life, when you focus on what could go wrong, it might. When you focus on what could go right, it might. Does that kind of make sense?